This week we are traveling from Orange County to Santa Barbara and Solvang. We stopped by in the quiet city of Ventura. Ventura is famous for its antique Mission Basilica, Buenaventura, and Channel Island Harbor. But since we just want to enjoy the beach, we stopped by at Ventura Pier. Here we arrive at Cachuma Lake. This lake is man-made that is built in 1939. The entrance to this lake is $10 per car, but if you bring your own boat, you have to add $13. But if you bring canoe or kayak, you need to bring only $5. This Cachuma Lake is famous for campground, hiking trail, fishing, and boating. In Cachuma Lake, you cannot swim, but if you just want to dunk yourself in the water, they have swimming pool. The Cachuma Lake is about 4.8 square miles. It is on Highway 154 in Santa Ynez Valley. At that time, we didn't really stay there, so we just look around, and they give us 15 minutes free to look around the lake. Here we arrive in Solvang. Solvang is famous for the Danish bakery, the museum of Hans Christian Andersen, and a lot of trinket like cuckoo clock or the clog, which is the sandal made of woods. There's also a winery that we can go to, so we can enjoy the wine, and also it's famous for Danish meatball. The city of Solvang has a mild climate because it's close to the beach, but it's also such a cute city because the architecture are very unique. Many people come here just to relax and really enjoy the scenery. On weekend, Solvang is very busy, but we went here just regular day, so it's not as busy and the parking is free. Since this is the COVID time, a lot of restaurants we cannot dine in, but they close some roads so that we can eat on the roadside under the tent. Here we are strolling in the village to spot the Danish icon, which include Little Mermaid Fountain, 5 windmills, and the giant red clock and run towers. We also try the Danish pastry and the able skiver at one of the 5 authentic bakeries. Now it's lunchtime, and I heard that this restaurant is very famous. It's called the Red Viking Restaurant. They sell the authentic Swedish meatball with the red cabbage. The price is around $20 to $25 per plate, so it's not too bad. But we have to wait about 15 to 20 minutes for the seating. Next to the restaurant, there is also a nice Danish bakery, and we buy some cookies and bakery from there. Just a couple blocks down the road, there is so many little cafe here that we found, and there is nobody is dining. So we kind of regret that we waited so long in the other place while we can just eat in peace right here. Here we arrive at Ramada Hotel by Wyndham in Santa Barbara, and this is the scenery behind our hotel, which is a little lake, and it has a lot of fishes, ducks, there is some turtle there, and then also there is a pellet that you can feed the duck with your own hand, and my husband is going to show you that he's feeding the duck. So this hotel is about 6 miles from the downtown of Santa Barbara, and it costs around $96. Usually if you are staying at the downtown Santa Barbara, especially near the beaches, the hotel start at $200 to $250 per night. So we are trying to save some money here. Here we are, we arrive at the Stern Wharf in Santa Barbara Pier, and this is the only pier that we can ride the car inside the pier. The parking is free for 90 minutes, and there are about 3 seafood restaurants in there, and also there is a museum of natural history of the sea center. Many people come to this place on weekend, especially the young people. Santa Barbara is known because of the beach and the celebrity. The celebrities such as Tom Cruise, J-Lo, Steven Spielberg, Oprah have their houses here. The city is also known for young people because there's University of Santa Barbara here. We want to go and visit the zoo, but because of the COVID, we have to make an appointment, and so we ran out of appointment already for that day. This boat is the boat that just arrived from the Channel Island. So if you have time, I think you should visit that island because it's one of the attractions too. The red building is the building where you can do your tarot reading. Many people go there, I guess, to figure out about their life. Here we are at the very end of the pier, and I saw many people are fishing here. So this is their favorite fishing spot, I guess. This is the State Street, which is one of the famous streets in Santa Barbara downtown. And this time they closed the whole road, and everybody has al fresco dining. Many people come here in the evening because it's not so hot and all the streets are lighted and it looks so beautiful. This time I'm craving for Chinese food, so we finally find the dumpling house. It is a real original Chinese restaurant from Beijing. So the food is a little spicy, but it's pretty good. The last place that we visited that day is the Courthouse of Santa Barbara, and unfortunately the courthouse is closed due to the COVID. But we saw some people that's taking a lot of picture and some wedding that happened outside the building.